Hey guys, I'm here with the one and only James Patterson.
Hey there, I'm here with Roberto.
Yup, we're both here. I wanted to know, like, were you going for that kind of cliffhanger after every chapter? Because that was definitely one of the parts in the chapters that kind of had me reading from
It doesn't always happen, but sometimes it gets corny. But if you're really good at it, actually, there was one of the, I think it was Cat and Mouse, and I left a cliffhanger at the end of Cat and Mouse, and they sent the book out for reviews, and we heard back literally the same line half a dozen times. I got to the end and I threw the book against the wall, because the idea that they would have to wait a year, and it really irritated people.
So I absolutely love the two books. One of my favorite parts about Crisscross is just the cliffhangers after every chapter. It makes me want to read so much more. It makes me want to finish books. Where are the sequels? I need more sequels. What is your favorite book?
100 Years of Solitude.
Your current read?
13 by Steve Kavanaugh.
Favorite place to read?
Oh, any place.
Favorite place to write?
Same thing.
What did you want to be when you grow up?
I still haven't grown up. Still working on that.
We're gonna be here on BookTube, so make sure you catch the link down below. We'll be there.
Don't miss Roberto.